So you're probably noticing that my latest videos have been a lot more off the cuff, and basically what I have to do is I have to get it out into video while it's still fresh in my mind, okay? And I haven't got a shirt on, so I need to go put one on. I say a shirt, I mean a vest, obviously. So I've been thinking about this, and in the past couple, probably 3 months, my business has had, my income has gone 4x in the past 3 months, which is pretty sweet when you think about it. And one of the main things that I can put this down to is, I'm gonna sit through here actually. So yeah, one of the main things I can put this down to is not outreach, it's not morning routine, it's not meditation, it's not a new course I've bought, it's nothing like any of these things that they say are going to change your life. It's something that not a lot of people are talking about as a foundation to starting and growing and maintaining a successful business. And what it is your health. Now, in the past 3 to 6 months, I've started taking my health really seriously. Like, cut out all the processed shit. I'm barely drinking, not smoking or anything. Like, I'm eating fruit, steak, rice, eggs, coconuts, that sort of stuff. Like, my diet is it's great. And from this, I've seen such a good change into my business. And the reason for this is when you have a healthy body, your mind follows. Like, when you're feeling good, your mind feels good, like physically. And the complete opposite is correct as well. And I've experienced this. When you're eating shit, when you're boozing a lot, your mind just goes. Like, and that's what led me down a bit of a dark path in terms of mental health. Like, I treated my body like shit, and this new mindset of you're going to be with your body for the rest of your life, so why would you treat it like shit? Imagine it's a limited edition Bugatti or something. Now, why would you fill that with shit? Why would you treat it like shit? Why would you just leave it to rust and put vegetable oil in it instead of the highest quality petrol or diesel, whatever? It's mad how people think that it's all right putting all this processed food and boozing every day into their bodies, but then expecting to operate at a high level. Like, you're not going to operate at a high level if your body's treated like shit. Like, when you search how to start a business or start an online business or anything like this on YouTube, you're going to get all these things like start a personal personal band, create content, do emails, cold outreach, everything like this. But no one's talking about the most important foundation, which is your health. So you need to get your health in order, because how can you expect to wake up at 6 a.m. with energy to start work, as I did today, if you are your sleep schedule's fucked, or you ate pizza at 11 o'clock last night, you're gonna wake up feeling shit, or you're out boozing, or you've been on a bender or stuff like this. You can't expect to operate at a high level if you're putting low level shit into your body. And there is a flip side to this, especially with B2B businesses like social media marketing agencies, growth agencies. If ever you're working with other people, not just on a customer basis where it's e-com, you sell a product and that's it. If you are working with people, exchanging services, then think about this. Would you work with someone who you knew treated their body like shit, who you knew was out on the piss 3-4 times a week? They only ate fucking fast food, ready meals, fucking seed oils. They didn't take care of their body. They've never seen the inside of a gym. Would you want to work with that person? Because I know for a fact that I wouldn't. And whether that's harsh against fat people, why would I work with someone who can't even treat their body right? How do I expect them to operate a business? That's the mindset I have when it comes to it. So, and a lot of people operating at a high level will also think that. So you need to get your health in order, not only for your own sake, but the sake of your business as well. I'm not going to go through how to get your body in order, because you fucking know how to do it, all right? It doesn't take a scientist to realize you just need to sleep good, you need to eat well, you need to exercise regularly. Stop trying to overcomplicate it. Stop trying to buy all these like sleep masks and like supplements and all of this fancy stuff when you can't even get the fucking basics right. Like, if you're still boozing, you're still smoking weed, then it doesn't matter what supplements you're taking, because that doesn't have any effect when you can't get the basics right. You only really need supplements if you're like bodybuilding and you're trying to get from like 95% to 98%. Like, that's really the only time that they truly matter. The rest of the time, it's mostly a placebo effect. But anyway, it doesn't matter. You need to just get your sleep, your diet, and like your workouts you in. It's not complicated. It's very, very simple. But you've got that cognitive dissonance where you've created that link between difficult and complicated. They're not the same thing. Things can be simple and difficult, which is like getting healthy. It's simple to get 8 hours sleep a day. It's simple to eat the right stuff. It's simple to just go for a workout 4 times a week. But it's also difficult because of the many things that go on in your life and all these excuses that you're making for yourself. But I won't ramble on about that, because you know what to do. You know how to get healthy. You're just fucking giving yourself excuses and be like, oh no, I'm fine, I can operate without it. Just see how long that lasts, and then just see how the people who are already operating at a high level, who are taking care of their bodies, just see how far you fall behind, and then watch this video again and see what you do. So that was what I wanted to share. I'm already dripping with sweat because it's already so warm in here. But I hope you have a great day. Blah, 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 blah. Hope you have a great day, boys, and I will see you soon.